People, welcome back everyone. My name is Oluchi Lloyd. I hope you are all doing well. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to click that place where it is subscribe below, like this video, share, subscribe to this channel, and stay blessed. Let's dive into the video. So it done the red or it done the happy, it done the happy, it done the happy, it done the happy, it done the happen. So this governor Wike is the another, this time around, I don't know what has come over him. That governor, you guys know now, since this protest started, and no, not even this protest, it started during the time of that COVID-19. That is when he started. So this governor is a governor of the River State. Okay, River State in Port Harcourt. So he declared a member of IPOP people the other day. He called them a terrorist group. He prescribed them that they are not allowed to do any of their activities in River State. So now he made a U-turn. He's trying to change it again because the heat is too much. So we can also urge the 23 local government chairman in the state and the youth not to allow IPOP to hold demonstration and also to raise the flag within their any place in River State, anywhere in River State, that they should not, their flag is not allowed to see. That is the Biafran people flag are not allowed to see. The governor said on Monday during the meeting with the community development committees, youth leader and council chairman at the government house in Port Harcourt. So what he said there in the statement by the special assistant on Monday, he said, we can label Rivers as the most accommodating state for all Nigeria. We can never be against any ethnic group. We can never do that. We have lived in harmony with the Igbos, the Hausa and the Edo people, he said. Everybody that comes to this state, we live in harmony with. So Nigerians must recommend River State as the place where you never had a problem with this ethnic group. Between this ethnic group, according to what he wrote. There's one terrorist group then called IPOP. I don't declare them a terrorist group. The court declared them a terrorist group, not me. The federal government declared them a terrorist group. IPOP can't use River State to be place where they be launching attacks. If you allow that, your future, your children's future is gone. Wike added. Go to Oyibo today and see what they done. They destroyed the court. What did the court do? See the soldiers then killed and burned them. See the police men then killed and burned them. And then you said we could sit and fold our arms. Says Wike. Now, Wike, we have heard what you wrote here. You wrote it. This news is at online news, is everywhere on social media. Wike want to make U-turns for his statement. About 5 days ago, you know, Wike made a statement that he bound the IPOP people in Port Harcourt not to hold any meeting, because you know that Obibo is one of those places where the Igbocha, you know, Igbocha is one of those places where they have hardcore IPOP members. So now he tried to take an advantage of this protest to do what he did here. So I think he's praying for a day like this to come for him to do. Maybe it's in his mind or somebody is pushing him to do it. I don't know his reason of this particular attack on IPOP people. So according to him, he said that IPOP people destroyed the court, killed the police people, burned them, killed the soldiers and burned them. And what about the people that the soldiers and the police people are killing? You mean the people don't have rights? It's only the soldier and the police people that have rights to be killed. You mean it's only the soldiers and the policemen, they are the one who have rights? What about the killing in Lekki toll gates? They kill the citizens. So the citizens don't have rights like the police and the soldiers. So now I just want to ask, these people, they think people are just being so stupid. Before this you see this digital world, people are learned. Because of this social media, people are learned. You don't need to go to school before they will tell you what is not. So I'm just telling this to Wike because they think 1960 those days, they put people in dark, people in blind because of so that you don't know what is going on. They decide not to give their citizens electricity so that they will not know what is going on in other countries. But people can afford generator. So generator will also give you power for you to enter, at least even if it's 1 hour, 2 hours, charge your phone, enter Facebook, Instagram, read news, find out, watch TVs and see what is happening. So there's no way you can just come out and begin to make this type of statement and cook this type of story and allegation when the world already know what is going on. This time is the time of protest. People are protesting. So if there's any damage is caused by the protesters, IPO people has never even started protesting with the youth. So you just take this an advantage. You want to do your own thing because they are exposing you, because the IPOP people, they are exposing the bad government. I said it in one of my previous video that the reason why you people hate IPOP and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is because it's hitting you guys very hard. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is the reason why Nigerian government hates the IPOP, because they are really exposing them. They're making the world to see how corrupt the government is. Which the herdsmen, they are not doing that. The Boko Haram, they are not doing that. Nigerians prefer those who kill than those who expose them. It can be killing anybody in the country, they don't care. But once you expose them, that is where you have issue with them. That is when they will begin to tag you, to frustrate you, to intimidate you, try to shut you up, to do anything to shut you up. If you people don't know this secret, you have to know it now. You have to really know it now. So please, ladies and gentlemen, this is what is going on. Nobody, IPOP people is not involved. The people who do whatever. What about the prison breakout? The prison breakout in Edo. Is it IPOP people that break the prison? The answer is no. Wicked. Why do you guys just choose to be wicked to your own fellow brothers and sisters? The prison they break the in Edo State. Is it IPOP people that broke it? The shooting in Lekki toll gate, the looting that is going on in Lagos, and the people breaking the warehouses to take their palliatives. Is it IPOP people that did it? I'm asking the weekend who is trying to make issues when there's none. Who is trying because of some individuals came to you to talk some trash about some ethnic group, you decided to take it upon yourself. You don't have to praise yourself, telling yourself that your state is one of those states that accommodate people with harmony. You don't have right to say that. Anybody is free to live in any state you want to live. And Port Harcourt has been one of those notorious cities for many years now, where they have a lot of that River State, that area, Niger Delta. Port Harcourt has been one of those notorious cities in the whole Nigeria. Like all these, they have all these occultic, kidnappers, where they kidnap all these Oyibo. Then those days, occultic people, all these they were forming occultic, disturbing the cities. Everybody, no place that they don't have their own, no place that does not rain. No place that it does not rain. So you don't try to like deceive us with your statement and your words, how we know them, how everything is happening, how everything is working in that contraction. We know how everything works. We know. Even if you are not educated, you don't teach people history in their schools, we still see everything happening on social media. We are watching everything very closely these days because of you corrupt politicians. So we know how everything is happening. IPOB never do you guys anything in Port Harcourt. IPOB never have any record of attacking anybody in the history of IPOB that we know. So stop cooking story as they destroy court. Go to OB1 and see what they did, what they do that. Then they break the court, then keep policemen, burn them. What are the proofs? Do you have any proof? Do you see the guns and knife and bullets in their hand? The answer is no. You're just making up your own issue to shut them up. But Wike, you just buy market that you can pay. He bought a market. I told you before. To go and apologize, he bought a market that you can pay. Don't think by sneaking to Europe or abroad will do you any help. You sneak there, if they go find you, and your tenure will still be finished. You can't stay there forever, Wike. These people not do you anything. All these made up stories that you are just writing to, we think these people, they are guilty, you are not guilty. The Nigerian government labeled them, not me. Is it today? And then why do you revise it back again? Nigerian government did. And you yourself, you can't carry them for your head. Only you be governor. Waiting for that Nigeria. Make the jump. Continue. So my people, this man is that this some of these politicians or the leaders, they are not really doing well. Look at the way they are intimidating their citizens. So the shooting in Lekki, they don't even take it serious. Peaceful protesters will never scatter anything. They remove the camera off the light and start shooting people, killed people. And now you said IPO people kill police, burn them, kill army, burn them. You don't talk about the Lekki killing. And what about your citizens that the SARS people they are be killing in River State? What did you do about that? Do you lament? Do you cry? Besides that, you say you cry. So what action did you take to make sure the citizens that you claim you're protecting? What did you bring? What security? Do you stop SARS in River State? The answer is no. Anyway, my people, these people, that's how they use their sweet tongue to deceive gullible people. They are all the same. The reason why they hate IPOB because IPOB is hitting them hard. It's only IPOB that is disgracing the Nigerian politicians. If everybody join hands to disgrace them more, they will put stop to all this nonsense, or even get rid of all of them. Let them go. Let the youth take over the country. So my dear brothers and sisters, do not listen to these people. Then this is how them be, brainwashing people, pretending like they are fighting for people, pretending that like they love the country or the city where they are leading. Then pretend that they love the city, but when something happens to their citizen in that city, they can't do nothing. Then prefer supporting police and army more than the citizens. So this is how they operate. Military rules. Military, you can see the way he's supporting the militant, why he kill them, burn them. Because of that, he tag your brother's name. Because of those military people are the one, police are the one always protecting them. So it's like it's the military that is ruling the country. If the leaders can support the militants more than the citizens when anything goes wrong, unbelievable. So let me stop here for now. Let me know, guys, what you think below. Feel free to leave your comments. Where are we heading to? What is the solution? Thank you so much and stay blessed. Bye.